Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to completely uninstall a WordPress website from cPanel. So as you can see, currently I'm on my WordPress dashboard and let's visit my WordPress website. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website, and now I'm going to delete or uninstall my WordPress website from my domain completely. And here's how to do it. First of all, we have to open our cPanel. Open your website cPanel. After your domain name, just give a slash and type cPanel and hit enter. And now all you have to need, enter here your cPanel username and password and log into your cPanel account. Once you are in your cPanel dashboard, here just click on WordPress Manager by Softaculous. And here you will find all of your installed WordPress. So I want to delete this WordPress website, and its domain is new.howto1minute25.com. So all you have to need, just search the domain. So this is the domain. Now click on this little arrow icon and scroll down. Here just click on uninstall. Here just click on uninstall. And now to uninstall or remove the WordPress website completely, make sure to check this box: remove directory, remove database, and remove database user. Now scroll down and click on remove installation. Okay. Once the installation successfully removed, now if I go to my website and reload my website, as you can see, the WordPress website has been successfully removed and my domain is blank now. So this is how we can completely uninstall a WordPress website from cPanel. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.